Hello students, let us solve one problem based on the molar heat capacity from the thermodynamics chapter. So what is the question? This question is taken from Narayana Need book. Calculate the energy needed to raise the temperature of 10 gram of iron. Okay, raise the temperature of 10 gram iron. So mass they have given in the gram 10 gram of iron from 25 degrees Celsius to 500. So they have given T1 how much, that is 25 degrees Celsius, and T2 they have given 500 degrees Celsius. If specific heat capacity of iron is, so C has given student, C specific heat capacity 0.45 joule, okay, per centigrade per gram, okay. So now what we have to calculate the energy needed. So Q they are asking. So here they are asking, that is Q, okay, Q they are asking. So at what pressure, temperature is constant, volume is constant, so that is they are asking. Okay, let us try to solve it out. So what is the Q is equal to, student? Q is equal to, that is CPDT, okay, MCDT. Or if you are talking about, that is heat capacity will be what, student? That is amount of heat and per change in the temperature, that is delta T. And if you talk about specific heat capacity, so here we have to put, that is mass, okay. So if you are from this equation, Q is equal to, from here you see cross multiply, Q is equal to Cm delta T. So Mc delta T. Mass they have given, student, 10 gram, okay. He molar heat, specific heat capacity they have given 0.45, okay. And temperature they have given T2 minus T1. Delta T means what is T2 minus T1? Delta T how much? 500 minus 25. So that is how much coming, student? 500 minus 25, that is coming 475. 470. So here we can mention 475. Now you solve it out, how much the value is coming. So if you are multiplying, student, 10 gram multiply by 0.45 multiply by 475. So it is coming, student, how much? 2137.5, and that is Q is there, student, heat. So energy unit of the heat will be in the joule, okay. So this is the Q. Heat required will be the 2137. So let us see the question, student. Calculate the energy needed. How much energy needed? 2137.5 joule energy needed to raise the temperature from 10 degree of 10 gram of the iron from 25 degrees Celsius to 500 if specific heat capacity is this much. So that is what we got, student, 2137.5 gram. Now the second number, if we are talking about second number, this was the first number. So second number, what is there? What is mass of gold of specific heat capacity is there? 0.13. So mass of gold they are asking, mass. Specific heat capacity they have given, how much, student? It is given 0.13 joule. 0.13 joule. And what other units are there? Per Celsius, per Celsius per gram. Okay, so that is a specific heat capacity. Can be heated through the same temperature difference when supplied with the same amount of energy, okay. So mass they are asking, same temperature they have mentioned, that is same temperature they are saying, that is same temperature of the previous question, that is T2 they have given 500 degrees Celsius and T1 they have given 25 degrees Celsius. And what other information required, student? That is energy, okay. What is the mass of gold? Specific heat capacity can be heated through the same temperature difference, same temperature when the supplied with the same amount of energy. So amount of energy is also given, that is Q is given, how much? 2137.5 joule, okay. So see what is formula is there, student. Capacity, heat capacity divided by specific heat capacity, MC delta no M delta T, M delta T. So that is, if you they are asking mass. So what is that? Is Q upon, it will come, student, C delta T. Q is will come C delta T. So Q value we have got 2137.5 here in the previous question, 0.5 joule, divided by C they have given, student, in this question for 0.13, it is 0.13, multiply by temperature difference. Temperature difference also given, T2 minus T1, 500 minus 25. Let us solve it out, student. That is 2137.5 divided by 0.13 multiply by 475. Okay, so let us try and try to multiply this one. So if you are trying to multiply 0.13 multiply by 475, so how much coming? 2137.5 divided by 61.75, right? So now you divide, student, how much coming? 2137.5 divided by 61.75. So it is coming how much? 34.6 gram, because it is specific heat capacity. So that is mass of the 34.6 gram. If you are okay heating from the 500 degrees Celsius to and 25 to 500 degrees Celsius, so mass of substance you will get 34.6 grams. So this is our required answer. Thank you so much for watching, friends.